For free motion quilting, you've got a variety of different feet depending on what you're going to be doing. Now to get into free motion, go over here to Applications, go to Quilting, Free Motion. Now here we've got this stitch selected, which is your straight stitch, and you're going to use the PDH foot. You're going to have either the closed toe or the open toe foot. Straight stitch 2, left needle position, is still the same foot, but now you're stitching in the left needle position. And notice it does not show individual stitches because your feed dogs are not engaged. You're going to determine how long those stitches are and where they are. You've got a zigzag option, still the same foot. You've got enough room to do a zigzag right there. Straight stitch 3, now here is where you're going to do only a straight stitch. So you would use one of these feet here. Straight stitch 4, again, left needle position. So the M means middle, L means left. And you would use this foot because it has room to put your needle over to the left. Same thing with zigzag stitch 2. This is some free motion quilting that I did freehand. You can see that some of the stitches are longer, some of them are shorter. That's where the AcuStitch regulator comes in. It looks like this, comes in this box that comes with your machine, and I'm going to show you how it works. So to plug this in, you just open this little door, plug it in, just like that. And once you've got it plugged in, now it shows AcuStitch regulator right there, the ASR. You can change the feet on here. So for instance, if I wanted to use this clear foot, you push this button in the back and it releases the foot. You can put the other foot on and just snap it on like that. Now, if I wanted to use a left needle position, I could do that. So we're going to put it on the machine. What we want to do first is lockout key, take the foot holder off, and put this on. Make sure you have the bracket going all the way around the presser bar. Tighten it by hand first, and then tighten it with your screwdriver, like that. Now, I've got the wrong stitch selected for this, so I'm going to go back out of that. I'm going to go up here and select this one right here. Now, as you can see, the needle is right in the middle and it's not going to touch the foot at all. Now, if I did want to do this one where I had the stitch going to the left, I would use this foot instead on the AcuStitch regulator. But I'm using the straight stitch right there. Now you've also got the option of having an open toe using the same stitch. Up here, this means it takes one stitch and then it allows you to pull up your bobbin thread. I'll show you how that works. Take one stitch. We pull up our bobbin thread, keep it out of the way. I like to take one more stitch so that I can get my needle thread through the stitch hole right there. Okay, let's put the presser foot down and get started. Now the stitches, as you can tell, the stitches are an even length no matter how slow or fast I'm doing it. Now, it's possible to move it too fast, but I can still move it at basically my speed and it'll give me accurate stitches. As you can see, the stitches are an even distance apart. Now we can adjust the stitch length, making it longer, further apart, like that. So we can make them longer or shorter. I kind of like to have them a little bit longer for my pre-motion. Leave it at that. Keep it moving. And that's free motion quilting using the AcuStitch regulator. We have several other videos on this machine. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.